Hey guys, I'm Ethan Carter and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than my typical videos, but I wanted to take this opportunity to tell you about a really cool event I was lucky enough to be a part of a few months back called Make48 City Challenge. The event that I was a part of was at a makerspace in Hartford, Connecticut, and the full video of that event is now out, which I'll leave a link to in the description for you to check out. Make48 is a 48-hour invention competition where teams are given a broad theme, which for the Hartford event was outdoor lifestyle. When they show up, they then receive more specifics about the theme, and then the clock starts, and they are given 48 hours to brainstorm, design, and prototype their ideas, and then pitch that to a panel of judges. And let me tell you, what they were able to come up with in just 48 hours was truly inspiring. So what was my role? Well, one of the cool aspects of Make48 is that in order to keep the playing field level, they bring in a group of tool techs to help the teams build their prototypes. This allows the teams to focus on coming up with the best concepts and not be limited by their experience with the tools and technology needed to make the prototypes. So I was part of the crew of tool techs, and man, was it a talented group. Now, we all could do a little bit of everything, but each of us definitely brought a different and complementary set of skills to the table, and I was honored to work alongside them. In addition to helping the teams, the tool techs are also given the challenge to design and make the trophy for the winning team, which ended up being one of my favorite parts of the event. As a team, we decided to try to incorporate all of our different medium specialties into the trophy, and this is what we came up with. It had traditional woodworking, CNCing, metal fabrication, and you got it, even a little unnecessary leather for the signature Make48 airplane as the topper. Finally, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to MakerPipe, who sponsored me for this event. MakerPipe makes a system of steel pipe connectors that turn ordinary EMT conduit into an affordable building platform with truly endless possibilities. Not only did they sponsor me, but they also came to the event and we got to work together to make a really cool backdrop for the closing ceremony using their connectors. It was a blast to work with them, and I truly am a huge fan of their products and have actually used them for a bunch of projects for this channel. To close it out, one more huge thanks to Make48 and MakerPipe for giving me the chance to participate in such an inspiring and fun event. And don't forget to go check out the complete video on the Make48 YouTube channel. Until next time, keep making.